Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to begin with essentials: a Wi-Fi adapter and administrative rights. Open an elevated command prompt now. This gives you permission to create a hosted network. Run netwlan show drivers to verify hosted network supported. That tells you why this will work. Once done, you'll define the network name and key. Make sure to choose a clear SSID and a strong passphrase. You're starting the hotspot setup immediately, not buried in settings. So continue to the configuration step next. Now you configure and launch the hotspot. Type netwlan set hosted network mode equals allow SSID equals your name key equals your pass to create a virtual network. This establishes both the SSID and WPA2 passphrase. Next, start it with netwlan start hosted network. Watch the command prompt for success messages. Then go to Network and Sharing Center, open Change Adapter Settings, and enable Internet connection, sharing on the adapter that has Internet access, so your hosted network actually provides connectivity to connected devices. Finish by verifying connected devices show up and receive an IP address. This confirms sharing is working. To stop the hotspot, run netwlan stop hosted network and restart it the same way if you need to. If devices cannot connect or there's no internet, check drivers and update them, because outdated drivers are a common cause. Also make sure VPNs or firewalls aren't blocking ICS. Disable them briefly to test. Once done, re-enable security software and you're set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.